So viewers, this video is nothing really useful, but I was for some reason down in there, then suddenly I find a tennis ball way deep down that way. Tennis court is right there, so I guess someone batted really excessively, then it landed in that creek. But tennis ball is right there now. I'm gonna plan to take it home and clean it up. And if I'm being completely honest, I've never played tennis in my life. So I might put that tennis ball to good use if I can get it cleaned up. So there's no water in this creek because it hasn't rained recently, but once rain comes, which it's gonna thunderstorm Thursday, which is tomorrow, Saturday, and Friday, then by then this creek will be completely filled up again. So it is like really humid. It feels like 105 out here right now where I live. So yeah, definitely a big heat advisory. Hoping it's a big heat wave again we get soon, like we did on July 16th, because that just really cooled everything off, and I enjoyed that. Better than what we have right now. So, without anything else to say, have a good one, and stay safe.